Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. Lords, Umkhokha the curse. Umkhokha the curse. Okay. Uphakathwayo ke ahambe abatshela ukuthi utheni umprofit, right? Telling uMamzobe noZodwa. Then uMamzobe noZodwa, they digested while sitting down at the breakfast table, and the only resolution or the only thing was that ubabethu wazibulala, but asikhumbuli umzimba wakhe ushaywa. So meaning the curse could be from our father. Ayi man. Hey, uphakathwayo ayimangalele yonke lento. Ahambe ayotshela abantu bakamvelase. Makafika ke kaMvelase abaqhazela ukuthi so hayi uzamxola athi nami ngihaga amatorokisi sihamba sonke. Maqeda ukuphuma ke uphakathwayo aqeda ukubatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani, kungene ukhulekani abatshela ukuthi mina ngivele ningixake nje niyeke niye le nale yonke lento le Jesu Kristu nje qha mangabe kwanje izami izandla uzoba right. I was like, the arrogance, guys. It's not his hands, it's Jesus that saves. But nonetheless, let's move on. So it offended everyone. We are in a dire need. We are trying everything else. You know, like you can't come with such solutions, understanding and knowing the differences. And what I've realized about this family, yaga ukhulekani, they might not support him, right? But they never bagxeka ibandla lakhe, bagxeka inkolo yakhe. But yena ugxeka 100%. Every chance he gets uyagxeka, every chance he gets uyagxeka. So I don't know ukuthi vele Christians are we like that or what, but like every chance ayitholayo nangu uyagxeka, of which it also hurt uSiphamandla, right? Okay, fine, bayiresolve leyo. uSiphamandla yenzela umuntu wakhe ukudla, bangichaza kanjani bayenzelana ukudla, bayenzani mangena uManzimande omunye yenza ukuthi ngathi bekahleli phansi sakathi ngespeed. I just like them like that. But ke bamtholele somebody uNomafu ozomgada, angayithandisisi but umuntu wakhe ambrushe ubone ukuthi umuntu wakhe azama ukumtshela ukuthi just play along with it. And then I'm reassured uzamxola ukuthi ngiyahamba but ngizobuya. Mangibuya mina now will be waiting for our child to be born. At this point, that's the only big thing that we'll be looking forward to. But this one, we need to deal with it. We need to close it. We need to shut it shut. So ke haka matorokisi zamxola. Mina ke nokukhala hayi uNomafu la sekathi khona he Mvelase ukho konke kimi he sobonana kulokho kulelizayo hey kuribona bana sizulu sesohle sathaba ke nawo baba usehlokofala ngitohlokofala ke le balore ke story lona, like jokes aside pelo ka ke itshwere so just ngasikhona ulibonisa yona la yithi YouTube ngasikhona ulibonisa pelo. Yo, like literally my heart is on my hand. Yo, but ke it was sad. Uzamqolo said nothing, and all he said is goodbye. I'll see you in a few days. Yo, hayi umalume angene naye bathi malume khaphalaba. Hey umalume azama bombayeka azambubambayeke. Why? Angisho umalume ijezelisha. Athi umalume bathi wena le family kwenzele into eziningi ngapi. So nje makuthiwa siza le family mele ugqume amelanga ube nama excuse. Hayi ke umalume akhansele idate yakhe noNtombi. Kukuthi earlier on uNtombi guyzini ulele lapha. Umalume uphethe istoko, umalume into idlalekile, uNtombi ulele lapha yana wabhaqwa ihelper, waphuma ngefestera, asathi uphume ngefestera upopile, wabhaqwa wabhaqwa uNomkhosi, washaya uNomkhosi, yazini umalume azathi kuye yabona i-relationship yami nawe ayifani nabantu amaphezu wethu. Eyami nawe it's interesting, like there is a little bit of playing there and there. I was like, no, it's not playing, nisahamba ukuthi bazonibhaqa. So I just properly loved that part. But ke wena mina nawe sila sifuna ukubona ukuthi mababuya umkhokha uzabuhambile or what's going to happen, because sesicasula hulo ubantu banilokela unobuntu who thinks she's everything, ozohamba dlala ama-hide and seek enzani. But ke for her sake we hope ukuthi Umkhokha anyeke uzumlandela. This is your girl Disebo D, same time same place tomorrow, me and you.